Welcome back, guys. Ron here once again, and before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, and give it a thumbs down if you're not. So once you watch it, just don't forget, guys, show your support for the channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright, guys, here we go. And if you're not following us on Instagram, guys, go ahead and follow us, play-by-play_options. Make sure you follow us and get your play-by-play debit card, because things are about to get exciting, guys. Our targets are getting hit day after day. This is simple. It's a simple process, simple strategy, but it's effective. It works. So just get on. We just finished our webinar, and we're going to have an awesome end of week. Tomorrow's Friday. Come get your play-by-play debit card, and the pin is the play-by-play boxing strategy. We got quad witching coming up tomorrow, guys, so everything is expiring. So it's going to be a good day to be trading. So let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's show a quick clip of tonight's webinar, guys. Go ahead and take a look at this. That's what I look at. Okay, well, it pulled out. Now it's going to go again. You know what I mean? And that's all it is. Now, comparing that to, for example, Amazon. Look at this. Solid. This is September 19. Let me zoom out a little. All right, Amazon, this one kind of sucked. Okay. This one right here, this one kind of sucked. It wasn't that crazy, but you see Mondays, the days that followed. And another thing to expect after quad witching, normally the markets do tend to sell off. Not always, so obviously as you can see here, but you do tend to get those solid bars, as you can see here, right? So you get those solid bars the days that follow. So those are things I'm looking at too, because it's like, okay, well, look at this solid. Again, this is last year, December. So for this exact day for last year, it was this one. What happened on Monday? You got this pattern. What did you get on Tuesday? Solid block. So Tuesday, right? So things like that is what I'm looking for. So I'm showing you guys this to keep things into perspective. I know tomorrow's Friday. And, you know, I just don't want you. Again, the volatility is still low, guys. The VIX is still at 12. I don't want you to forget your discipline. And I don't want you to go crazy heavy on things. And like, oh, you know what? Let me make a killing. Let me make 20 grand today just because it's Friday and things like that. Remember to stay your discipline, go in small and layer. So you layer in and you layer out. Don't get overzealous and let euphoria kick in to the point where, you know, you get caught on a reversal. So this is why it's important to always plan. We're always looking to what could potentially happen. So if you're expecting Shopify to do, you know, straight up move, straight down, or a potential reversal, look at the charts, you know, study it. This is why we do the morning call, but you should always be doing this for yourself as well. And then keep an eye. It's like, okay, if it's going to reverse at any point, it's going to be here. You know, that way you know, and you don't get caught by surprise, and you don't become stubborn holding a loser when you could have just easily went in the opposite direction and just made your money. Okay? So that's that. Now, I got something cool to show you guys. And we're on the daily chart. All right, so there we go. Now, I've been trying to figure this out for a long time. We finally got it to work. Thanks to Red. You're in the call, right? Yep. He finally got the code to work properly. So after we updated the volume average columns, guys, now we are able to use these as integers, which lets us sort accordingly, right? What I was always trying to do was scan for this. So now I need to know which stocks have 20% above average on the daily volume right away for the day. Right, I want to know that right away, because it's like, shit, you know, if something's gonna go, it's gonna be the ones that have a lot of volume, and I've been pointing that out lately, you know. And if you don't believe in volume, you tell me after you see this, right? So let's take a look at this, guys. And actually, let me minimize this because I'm gonna show you the potential profits as well. So there you go. Now, so take a look at these charts, and then you let me know if you don't think volume is important, guys. And a lot of these are below my normal trading, but this goes to show that volume is king, guys. So take a look at this. Look at this candle. Tell me you couldn't have made money on that candle. No challenge. Now, so let's go ahead and take a look at the scanner. The scanning for these. It got deleted. All right, so fuck it. Let's go and look here, and let's send some of these to yellow. So let's send 30 to yellow. So this one started, guys, at 31. So in the money. I'll start in the money first, and then we'll do some of the out of the monies. Look at this one. From $1.40 to $4.60. Even if you got it at $2.30, guys, that's still a decent profit. Okay? Let's do some of the out of the money ones. Or let's say 32. Let's see, this one, yellow. This one started, guys, at 29 cents, 21 cents. Again, even if you got it at 77 cents, 70, 80 cents, $2.60. $700 investment to $2,600. All right, so you sell it for $2,600, you made $1,900 on that one. 33. Send to yellow. And what is the key indicator here, guys? What are you looking at? Just look at the volume, right? So look at the volume going into these as opposed to the other one. So the puts, right? So look at these ones. These started yesterday, we're at 3 cents. Today they opened at 15 cents. Even if you would have picked these up at 35, 40 cents, $1.77, guys. All right? So, right? So that's one. Let's go ahead and continue looking at these. And honestly, I went through a bunch of these. Let's go ahead and start clicking down through these. Look at this candle. All right? Look at this candle. Look at this candle. This one wasn't as nice, but the volume was there, so the opportunity was there. Look at this candle. This is what I've been looking for. We finally got it, because this is what I want. If we can find these early, when you see that volume kicking in, look at this volume bar. As soon as that volume starts saying, hey, shit, man, I'm at 20% above average in the first 5 minutes, this is the expected outcome, and that's what we're looking for. Because now, and these are good, guys, because especially for smaller accounts, shit, you can buy these at 30 cents. Even if you sell them at 60 cents, you're good to go. All right, guys, that was just a short clip of the webinar. The webinar was like an hour long, but obviously that's pretty much it for today. The course was just updated, so come on, guys, let's go. Let's get it. It's going to be an awesome Friday, so if you're not in, click the links below and let's get it. Brief.